Welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 10. We will also run a sample Java program after installing. Let us start. Go to the web browser. On Google type Eclipse and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website eclipse.org. Click the download button. Here is the download section. Go below. Click on the download button and two versions are visible. Click on the first one, that is download x86_64, that is for 64-bit Windows operating system. Click on it. The download mirror is visible. Click on it. Eclipse is now downloading. Let's wait. We have successfully downloaded the Eclipse exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here different Eclipse versions are visible. Eclipse for Java, Eclipse for C, C++, Eclipse for PHP developers. We want for Java, so I'll click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. After clicking, here is the Java version. Click on it and select the following. So there is no need to install Java before installing Eclipse. Here is the installation folder where Eclipse will get installed. Keep it as it is. It will also create a start menu as well as a desktop shortcut. Click install. Accept the license agreement. Now the installation started. Let's wait. Eclipse installed successfully. It created a start menu entry as well as a desktop shortcut. Here it is. Click launch. Now Eclipse will launch for the first time. Here select the directory as workspace. So workspace is a place where all your Eclipse projects, files and folders will get saved. I'll keep it as it is. Select this option so that you don't need to set the Eclipse workspace path again and again. Click launch. Now Eclipse will open for the first time. Eclipse opened for the first time. Let us create a new project. We can directly click create a new Java project, but I'll close this and click the file menu. After that click new and select Java project. Let us add a name to the project. I'll add Amit example application. Okay, here is the location of the project. I told you that your project will get saved under the Eclipse workspace path and the same is visible. Execution environment, keep it as it is. Go below. Here I'll uncheck create module -info file. We don't need it right now because we are creating a simple project. Click next. Now click finish. Our Java project created successfully. Now let us right click on source. Click new. Click package. So let us add a new package. I'll add com.studiopedia. You can add any name. Click finish. Now within the package you can add various Java files. So I'll right click com.studiopedia and select new. After that I'll click class. So this is a Java class. We are creating a new Java class. Let's say I'll add a name demo. You can add any name. It will automatically add the .java extension. I hope you remember our package name was com.studiopedia and our project name was Amit example application. I'll select public static void main and remove inherited abstract methods because we are creating a basic Java example. Click finish. Now our demo.java file got created and it will show us the demo code. Here it is. So let us print something. To print something in Java, use system.out.println, and within this add whatever you want to print. This is out.println. Okay. Add a semicolon here and whatever I'll add here will get printed. So let's say I'll add my name. Go to file, click save all. To run it, click run. Select run as and select the Java application, that is the following application. Now our output will be visible. Here it is. I told you we are printing Amit Diwan, so here it is. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also explained the following code in the same tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.